Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, approximately 3 o'clock in Honolulu, 8 o'clock in New York. It is Thursday, 11th day of February, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We did have declines in both gold and silver. I believe that they were partially caused by statements made by Jerome Powell yesterday, and it took market participants roughly a day to absorb the news. Let's take a look at our charts and technical studies. Gold did sustain a drawdown of $17.10, and April futures are currently fixed at $18.2560. Spot gold is at $18.2606, which takes us to the question as to whether or not today's downside move indicated any major chart damage. Well, on the surface, it certainly did not. What it did highly illustrate is that the current resistance area that we have been looking at, which comes in starting at 1849, which is the 38.2% retracement, and just above it, the 50 and 200-day moving averages. That tells me that we have real resistance in this area, but truly, to have technical chart damage, we would have to incur a drawdown that took pricing below this most recent low at approximately 1785. I believe that this is a short blip in terms of price structure and would look for gold pricing to return to its bullish demeanor. The other thing that we want to realize is that we have had 4 consecutive days that have moved gold higher. And so the fact that we would see a small retracement, and I use the word retracement rather than a correction purposely, because I think that that's all we're seeing. We're seeing it let out a little bit of steam so that it can move to higher pricing. Recently, MarketWatch put an extremely scary picture up with the title, "Death Crosses Imminent." However, following that, we had 3 strong days in which the market moved to higher pricing, and that widened the gap between when we look at current pricing of the dollar index. That was in essence flat, so that all of the selling that we did see in gold and silver was based upon traders bidding lower. And traders, as you recall, we have entered SLV on 2 legs, one at 22.95, one at around 24. They are all in profits. Silver, iShares Trust today gained a fractional amount, 0.02%. And traders, while we have seen gold decline in double-digit numbers today and is trading near the lows created in New York, my belief is that we have a far way to go in terms of having really strong technical chart damage. 1810, and as long as these particular lows that I'm adding right now are unscathed from today's $17 decline in gold. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the weekly wrap-up and review. Bye-bye.